Hi everyone, this is Samreen again signing in from Boston. In today's video, we will be discussing comprehensively how to find these funded master's and PhD positions in Canada. So first you need to understand that these positions are actually based on, in most of the cases, the university either hire you as teaching assistant or as research assistant. In Canada, we have 3 semesters. September to December is first semester, January to April is second, and then May to August is the summer semester, the third one. So in September semester and in January semester, in most of the cases, you are hired as teaching assistant. You help faculty as a teaching assistant. You conduct lab of undergraduate. You mark their exams. You invigilate their exams. You conduct their exams, or you teach them few courses, or you help them in their assignments as a teaching assistant, and that's how faculty will pay you for 2 semesters. But in the summer semester, in most of the cases, your supervisor will pay you from their grant, and that's how you're going to cover your expenses. So this is how it works. In order to find these positions, the first thing I would recommend is to go to Google and type list of universities in Canada. After that, you're going to open the universities and see their graduate and postdoctoral website, their postgraduate and postdoc page. And on that page, it should be mentioned how much minimum stipend they're going to give for these funded positions to each graduate student. It varies from university to university. Another important thing, it also varies from faculty to faculty in the same university. I have seen some faculties offering 17,000 Canadian dollars per year, some faculty offering 22, 25, up to 32 or 35,000 dollars per year. So it depends on which faculty you are interested in, which university you are interested in. So first I will do that. I will see that at least, overview, I understand that they give some stipend. Then I will go to their specific faculties departments and see what is the research that is being done in that department. And before that, even I will sit with myself, I will ask myself what is the specific area of science I am interested in, what is the specific area of science I am passionate about, and what is the specific area of science I will not get bored to work in. And then according to my expertise, I will list few areas that I am interested in. Then I will go to different departments and see which supervisors are doing the research that I want to do in future. So that's how I will approach supervisors. So first, what is the area I'm interested in? Second, which departments in the university have researchers that are conducting similar research I want to conduct in future, and then I will approach the supervisor, and that I will discuss in detail. It's important to understand that in each university there can be multiple faculties who have faculty members that do similar research to what you're interested in. For example, let's take gene therapy as an example, and let's say you're interested in gene therapy. Now what you will do is you will go to the university website and see what are the departments that have faculties who are doing something in gene therapy. It can be possible that there is someone in faculty of science who is doing gene therapy, applying gene therapy, faculty of health sciences, faculty of medicine, faculty of pharmacology, faculty of pharmaceutical sciences, faculty of oncology, faculty of biochemistry. It can be possible there is someone in faculty of chemistry or faculty of forestry that is applying gene therapy. So it's very important to have all those departments listed. Then you go to the specific faculty members, see what they are doing, and only approach the one that you're interested, whose research area is similar to yours, and you're interested to work with them in the future. With that being said, now what you will do is you will write very specific email to your potential supervisor. You will go to their webpage, you will see what they are doing, you will read their 1 or 2 latest paper, and then you will come up with either 1 or 2 future directions that the lab can take, or you can also ask smart questions to the potential supervisor so they're really convinced that you are interested in this area and you really know this niche, or you really know this area of research. So write very specific, very personalized email to the supervisor and express your interest to them. You can also attach your resume with the initial emails. However, there is a debate if you should or should not, but it's not a bad idea to attach your resume, but also focus on writing very specific emails, focus on asking smart questions, focus on giving good future directions of their projects, and invite them for a coffee chat. If your potential supervisor is interested in you as a candidate, they will invite you for an interview. We can talk in some other videos how the interview will be conducted. They will invite you for interview, and if they really like you, they are going to give you a conditional acceptance for the admission. Once you get the conditional acceptance from the supervisor, you are going to go ahead and apply in the faculty for admission. Now at this stage, if you have no IELTS prior, this is a good time to quickly take your IELTS test, get the desired score that the faculty wants, and then apply for admission at this point. It is important to mention, and hopefully I'll make a separate video on IELTS, but the IELTS score vary from faculty to faculty. It can happen that in one university, one faculty needs a certain number of a certain IELTS score, but the other faculty might need a lower IELTS score. So that also varies from faculty to faculty. So once you have submitted your IELTS score, depending on if it's needed, how much is needed, you have written the name of the potential supervisor you want to work with. They will send your application to that supervisor, and if he accepts or she accepts, then you're going to get the admission. Now you're going to take the admission letter and apply for your visa, so your study visa in Canada. So make sure that there are 3 steps in finding a potential supervisor. Number first, search the faculties and see which area of research are similar to yours. Number second, write very personalized email to your future supervisor. And number third, pass the interview, connect with them nicely so that they know that you're really passionate about, and you're not coming to Canada for the sake of coming to Canada. You're really passionate about research. Convince them, and then only then you can have you will get higher chances of coming to Canada and enjoying science here. Then one of the related question that I can mention in the same video is some students ask, do I really need a supervisor acceptance before applying for admission? And the quick answer, the short answer is no. I have seen students who directly apply to departments and they also get admission, but these students are the one who have excellent research profile, who know that when they are going to apply to any faculty, they are going to get in because they have good publications, so they don't waste application fee of too many universities. They just apply for one and they get in. But in cases if you don't have very strong research, it's always a smart idea to go in the background, search for your supervisors, convince them, and then apply for the position in the faculty. And also this way you will be only spending money to that faculty, to that university admission only, and not to other universities or other departments. Even in some universities, if you applying to 2 different faculties, you have to pay 2 application fees for 2 different faculties application. So if you have supervisor acceptance in the background, that can save you money. That's why I always say it's one of the easiest way to get admission, and it is one of the challenging ways to get admission. Easiest because then once you have acceptance, you know that okay, in most of the cases my application is going to be accepted, I'm going to get the admission. Challenging because it's very challenging to find the person who is also interested in you, and they have the funding to support you, they have the capacity to support you. But I always tell my students, you keep applying, and eventually after a certain number of emails, I'm 100% sure that you will get the acceptance for sure. So this is a quick process. I think I have been able to explain it quickly, but if you have any questions, I am more than happy to answer, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for answering and asking question and reaching out. Happy searching. I'll see you guys shortly. Take care. Bye bye.